Amanda.
And I'm Devin.
And this is your marketing moment.
Navigation or menus on your website, how to make them work for you. These are important. If you think of a crawler coming to your site, kind of reads from the top down. And if you just have something that says about, services, contact, services is such a broad word that could mean anything, but if you optimize that piece of your navigation, it's helping the crawler understand what you provide faster. You only get so many seconds of a crawler's time before it understands what service you provide to users visiting your site. So if you provide like a pest control service, instead of services, you might say pest control services, and then have your drop down. So optimize those navigations.
It's that simple.
That is your marketing moment.